Want to make your next sheet mask more effective? Well, then give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for 7 sheet masking tips. When your skin is hot, irritated, and overheated, a cold sheet mask is just the thing. Put your next sheet mask in the refrigerator for about a half an hour and enjoy the cooling effect. Skin that has become too cold cannot absorb its skincare products effectively, so throw your next sheet mask into some warm water and allow your skin to really open up. Boost the effectiveness of your serum by placing it on before your sheet mask. This will allow the serum to penetrate your skin more deeply, and it will really lock in all that nourishment. Make your next sheet mask a steam mask. Using plastic wrap, cut out holes for the eyes, nose, and mouth and place directly over your sheet mask. This is going to create a warm, steamy environment that's going to allow the sheet mask to absorb further into your skin. Use leftover essence from the packet on arms, legs, elbows, knees. Hate that sticky feeling after a sheet mask? Use a face mist to help cut down on stickiness and make the essence absorb faster. Don't throw that hydrogel mask out once you're done with it. Place it in a bowl with some warm water and let all the remaining essence melt off of the mask. Now you can use all of this fantastic essence anywhere you want on your body. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite trick for a sheet mask. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Bye!